help you in your preparation for PU2 and KSET is coming your way. 35 marks from the 2 chapters that we have, but MC can score 20 out of 20 by just watching my MCQ section. Do you also feel overwhelmed by looking at the syllabus of PU2 Maths? What if I tell you, I have got a way, I have figured out a strategy which will help you score 70 plus marks easily by just solving 6 chapters, by covering 6 chapters. Okay sir, how will it happen? Very simple, you have to follow me, okay, in this particular session and on our channel as well. And if you master these 6 chapters, 70 marks are yours, nobody can take it away from you, okay? And if you want me to start the session right now, give me a thumbs up. And if you are watching us over here on our channel Deeksha Karnataka for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, because more amazing things and things that will help you in your preparation for PU2 and KSET is coming your way. So subscribe the channel right now. So I think we are ready. I think we are ready to start the session now. Yes, let's start. So first thing first, the problem. What's the problem? The syllabus that we have to cover, sir, is this much, and we have time, sir, only this much. How will it make it? How will we make it happen? Yes, sir, I should have studied from the beginning, but I didn't do it. But sir, is the time lost? I cannot, cover it up now. I cannot overcome that, that marks that I'm getting in my midterms, in my unit tests. Yes, you can, and for that this whole video is designed just for that. Okay, so problem is the syllabus is huge and the time is very short, and the average method that you have been applying for this long, for these many months, are not gonna work. Okay, you have to make some strategy and stick to it, follow through it, and of course 70 plus will be yours easily. Okay, all right sir, if you say so. So what is the first thing? Check here. First thing over here is your 70 mark blueprint. 70 mark blueprint. What is it? This is the plan. We will focus on only 6 high weightage chapters. You'll see that. I'll go through that chapter by chapter. I'll tell you the topics to cover. I'll tell you section wise, section A, section B, section C, section D, what question will come. That also I'll show you. And high predictability will also be given. We'll also tell you what chapters, from which chapters what question can be predicted, okay, to guarantee your score. This isn't about studying less. We are not saying that you have to study less. There's no easy escape, okay? But you have to incorporate your timings to be studying smarter. Okay, you have to incorporate this now. If not even now, then of course your results will not be reflecting the good score that you are expecting from yourself. Okay, so this is your 70 mark blueprint. Now, as I said, the big 6 part 1. What is the big 6? The 6 chapters, part 1, here only 35 marks. Add them, sir. 35 marks from the 2 chapters that we have: integrals and C and D, continuity and differentiability. 35 marks right here. Half of your total score is covered right here. Check it out. The highest weightage chapter, mastering this is a non-negotiable. You have to do this. You have to. Sir, I'm not good in integration, sir. That will not work. If you want just 6 chapters to study and get 70 plus marks, this has to be there. First chapter, 18 marks cannot be skipped. And we cannot score 60 over here. We cannot here score 16, 15 marks. We have to score out of out. It can be done. You have time. Just you have to stick to it and make a plan, stick to it, and practice more and more questions of different variety. Don't worry. For that, Deeksha Karnataka will be there to help you for every chapter that is there over here. But right now, understand, integration cannot be skipped. If you guys ask me in my comment section, sir, can I skip integration? Answer is no right away. Next, C and D, 17 marks, very easy chapter. Very, very, very easy chapter. Only some questions might, be tricky at times. Even those are actually easy. Sometimes, we are in the zone that we don't see the question eye to eye, and that, it becomes lengthy. But even that, even if you consider this, the chapters is very, very easy when you compare these two. Again, 17 marks over here. The second pillar, these 2 chapters will give you 35 marks, almost half of what your target score. Next, part 2, the algebra foundation. Determinant and matrices. Add them. 12 plus 9, sir, how much is it? 21. 21 marks over here. Of course, these questions, the best part about determinant is it is extremely predictable. You know what will come. I'll tell you. Question 1 marker question will come from, sir, your properties of determinant. 5 mark question will come from, sir, inverse. 3 mark question will come from sorry, 2 mark or 4 mark question will come, 2 mark question will come from area of triangle, 4 mark question will come from inverse using multiplication. So you can see the chapter is very much predictable. Okay, this is the best part about determinant. So easily 12 marks by focusing on those questions instead of the whole chapter. Next we have matrices, 9 marks. Okay, a simple high scoring chapter. We have 3 questions over here, 5, 3 and 1. Yeah, 5, 3 and 1 becomes 9 marks. So that 3 questions, 1 question will be on symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, 1 on the properties and 1 on the product or addition. Remember the distributive property over multiplication, over addition or subtraction, they can ask you, that can be there. Okay, 21 marks over here, part 2 is covered, and then comes your part 3, big 6, part 3. Aren't they very easy, sir? LPP 6 marks, 1 question, graphical method 6 marks, the easiest of all and most predictable, most predictable topic of your entire syllabus. Means this is coming for sure. Then why can't we do it for the first time and get it done, 6 marks in our pocket? Next, relation and function, a very easy chapter. This also is very much predictable because you have equivalence relation, you have 1 1 on 2 function, and that's all. Sometimes they'll ask you question on inverse also. So this also is a 9 marker, 9 plus 6 becomes 15 marks over here. So total you can see these 6 chapters. If you do the math now, do the math, 18, 17, 12, 9, 9, 6, it becomes 71 marks. Very important. You have scored 70 plus marks by studying only 6 chapters shown on the screen over here. What next? What next is how to study, sir? Okay, sir, you told me, bacha, study only these 6 chapters, and if you do that, you will get easily 70 plus marks. Okay, sir, I take your words for it. But the question comes to your mind now, how to study this chapter, sir? Can I study from NCERT, from here? What topics to study? Should I cover everything in it? No. The plan for that was also here. Don't just read the chapters, focus only on the most repeated. Means you have to do a lot of analysis on these chapters. Sir, I don't have time to do that. I don't know how to do it. Do not worry, I have done it for you. Just follow my sessions. That'll be good enough for you. Just follow my sessions. I have done all of it. Just be with me till your boards. You'll end up scoring very good marks in your boards. That's a guarantee. Okay, just follow my words. Solve the questions that I'm giving you. Whatever questions I solved on the screen, you do solve from your side also. Don't just watch and go. If you look at somebody riding a bicycle or riding driving a car, you don't learn just by looking at it. You have to solve from your side also. So when I solve a question on the screen, you have to commit and solve it from your side as well. Okay, so if you follow that way, this 70 plus marks is guaranteed for you. High yield topics within them, means in the chapter what are the topics that is gonna come. For example, in relation and function, 1 question 5 marker can come from inverse, 5 mark, 1 topic. We know that, then why can't we prepare it in the best possible way that we will not lose even half mark in the inverse of a function question. Okay, so that's my whole point. Let's see the strategy, how to study these 6 chapters. Study plan, 35 marks. Integrals, focus should be on the properties of definite integral. This comes for 6 marker. Section E, properties of definite integral. They'll ask you to prove the property. NCERT, the proof is given, and they'll ask you to solve a question on it. So 3 marks, both part will carry. Okay, next we have partial fraction question can come for 3 marks, by parts question can come for 3 marks, and also multiple questions of integration can come for 2 marks and other category also. Okay, and 1 more question can come in 5 mark category, which is what? Which is particular function. We have here particular function. We also have particular function question in 5 marks. This can also come. Okay, 5 marks particular function, 6 marks definite integral, then by parts and by partial fractions, 3 mark question can be there. You have to get out in this integrals, 18 marks. C and D question can come from where? Definition of continuity in 4 mark. Okay, you have also here 4 marker definition of continuity, correct? And then you have 5 marker the second order derivative, 3 marker logarithmic differentiation. That's a must question. These are coming for sure. Like, it's basically like a paper out. These questions will come guaranteed. So you need to make your plan, make your study hours according to these concepts. You need to prioritize them, you need to focus on them, learn on them first, and then move to other topics of the chapter. Okay, so priority should be given to these category wise questions. I'll show you section wise plan as well. Next, A study plan for algebra and LPP. Determinant, one question or two questions will come in the MCQ side on the properties. Okay, matrices, the questions will be again on properties, and then comes on the multiplication of matrix. Determinant question will be on the inverse. Okay, check here, inverse of a matrix 5 marker, matrix method for this method AX equals to B 4 marker, product of matrices again a 5 marker question will be here, and of course MCQs are from the basic concepts of and the properties of both the chapters. Clear na? All of you agree with me? If you all agree with me so far, let me know in the comment section. Yes sir, you are making sense 100%. Yes sir, you are making sense 100%. Next, relation and function 9 marker. Okay, what is it? The 3 mark question for proving it to be equivalence. You have a bijective function or inverse of a function for 5 mark. Okay, 3 mark for equivalence function, 1 mark for again MCQ. One MCQ will come in this, and one 5 mark question will come from where? 5 marker from bijective function or inverse of a function. 5 mark on inverse will come. Next, LPP 6 mark question will come for graphical method. So this is very, very clear, sir. Now, section wise, very, very important. In what section? You can expect what? Section D, product of matrices and properties question can come. The properties, when I say, I mean what? The associative property, there can be distributive property, okay, over addition or over multiplication. So that can be asked you to prove with the help of 2 given matrices or 3 given matrices. You need to multiply or add them, and so the property is validated. Okay, inverse of a matrix 5 marker again. This is 5 marker, no? This is 5 mark category. Next up we have second order derivative again for 5 marks. 15 marks is over here. Section C, bijective function equivalence relation will come from R and F. In transpose of a matrix, this is skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. That question will come over here. Then we have logarithmic differentiation and chain rule in the continuity and differentiability. Integrals, we have partial fractions and by parts in the section C. Section E is the 6 marker and 4 marker category. For that we have graphical method and properties of definite integral. 4 marker we have matrix multiplication with inverse. Remember that determinant chapter, determinant concept, and we have definition based question on the continuity or differentiability. Section B, I have given some of them, but this will be easy chapter, no? This is very, very easy, 2 marker. This is 2 marker. So easy concepts, basically the easy and basic concepts are what is required over here. So you can score over there as well. Now what about MCQs, sir? So MCQs 20 marks. I'm telling you, even though I said 6 chapters, but MCQ can score 20 out of 20 by just watching my MCQ sessions. Don't worry, I'll bring it all before you go for your boards. And MCQ though, I'll guarantee at least MCQ and 1 marker 17 plus from my side. 17 plus I'll give you in if you follow my sessions word to word completely. This will come from my sessions. Okay, if not, follow the question bank, follow the NCERT basic concepts of every chapter. If you don't want to follow my session, it's okay, your choice. Basic concepts. If you follow properly basic concepts, you can easily score the 17 plus marks in your 20 mark 1 marker. Okay, so this is the blueprint to score total of 70 plus marks from 6 chapter. Are you ready to score this 70 marks from this given 6 chapters? Are you ready to master this? You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to go anywhere. I am here to do just that. Just subscribe the channel right now and see the magic happen. I don't say the magic word that often, but yes, it will happen. Just focus on the sessions that I'm giving you, solve the questions that I'm giving you, okay? And very soon you'll see the change that you're making in your preparation for boards and your KSAT, okay? So with this, I can end the session today. Thanks for listening to me, and we'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.